You are very welcome to the Complete Digital Marketing course. My name is Dara, and the unique thing about this course is that I have put to the test all of the steps and processes that you were about to learn. I really wanted to make sure that this course was highly actionable for you and that it would get you results. So what I actually did was build a website from scratch and market it across 6 major marketing channels. And that is essentially what I'll be sharing with you in this course. All of the processes that worked. Make sure that you can follow along step by step. So in this first lecture, what I want to do is kind of bring you to the end of the process, show you my marketing results, and also highlight some student success stories, including what one student was able to achieve in the first 24 lectures of this course. It's pretty cool. So let's start by looking at Google Analytics. This is the best place for you to get an overall picture of the success of your marketing. And we are looking here at the analytics for my website, thecompletedigitalmarketingcourse.com, which is the website you'll see me build and market inside the course. Now you can see here in the first 30 days that I got over 4,600 sessions, essentially website visits. And if I move the date range out further here to about 8 months, you can see a total of 76,000 sessions. So these numbers show you that the strategies that you will learn will not only help you launch a new business online, but also grow it far into the future. Now let us look at the email list that I built from scratch for this same website. In the first 30 days, I got over 1,000 email subscribers, and you can see here it sits at about 8,000 subscribers, and that's at the 8-month date. So that's adding roughly 1,000 email subscribers per month. And an interesting fact for you to note is that 90% of those email signups were driven by PDF downloads just like this. So I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up, because your email list is really your most valuable asset that you have to drive sales. Now the basic strategy for you to drive all this traffic to your website is very, very simple. You need to go out, engage people on the platforms where they're already hanging out, and direct them back to your website. So let us look individually at some of those marketing channels and the results that I was able to achieve. So looking at YouTube here, you can see for this one video alone, I've got over 120,000 views. This is all based on SEO with no outside marketing. And you can see here that I'm also driving back people to my website with this incentive of an SEO checklist. So I'm going to show you how to set all of that stuff up. Now in the Facebook marketing section of the course, I'm going to show you how to build really this Facebook page. You can see it now has over 4,000 likes, and you'll really be able to follow along step by step. Over on Twitter here, I have over 4,000 followers, but more importantly, you can see I'm getting heavy engagement, and that's really the big thing that you can get out of Twitter. Over on Quora here, a fantastic question and answers website that is exploding in popularity. You can see I have over 90,000 views for my content, and not a lot of people know about Quora marketing, but I think it's one of the easiest and fastest ways for you to drive traffic to your website. Now, one thing to note is that all of those results were achieved just by me, just one guy. I have no team, and all of those marketing strategies are free marketing strategies except the Google AdWords section of the course. So if I can do it, you can really do it as well. And so that you can replicate these results, I've broken down everything into 12 marketing projects, and they're all listed out on the course notes here. You can complete these projects individually if you want to focus on a particular marketing channel, but these projects are designed to build upon each other in a logical sequence so that you can start just with an idea and take it to where I am now. So in the first 2 projects of the course, you're going to set the foundation for your marketing. You're going to create a buyer persona and unique selling proposition. You're going to follow that up and build upon it by testing some of those assumptions and doing market research and validating demand for your idea with a fantastic online survey tool called Typeform. Once you have set the foundation for your marketing, the next 3 projects in the course really focus on creating a high converting website. So I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website in less than 1 hour without needing any technical skills. I'll then show you how to set up that website to really convert visitors into email subscribers, show you all the tricks that I used. And then finally, and importantly as well, you have to write the copy that really sells on your website or converts people to sign up to your email list. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, after you've set up your high converting website, then it's really time to drive traffic to that website. And you're going to learn how to do that from 6 major marketing channels: the search engines with SEO, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Quora, and Google AdWords. Finally, then you are going to learn how to take a data-driven approach to grow your business and really analyze data to find growth opportunities. So normally all of these topics are taught in isolation, and I think the problem with that is that you never really get to see how everything fits together into a coherent marketing strategy. But I think with my real life example, linking everything together and guiding you through every single step, I think finally all of the pieces are going to come together for you. Now finally, let me share a student success story with you. I post this inside the course and it got a fantastic reaction from students. You can see all of the really other students really being inspired from this. So I wanted to share this with you straight away. So this is from a student, Anuvav, and he wants to teach students how to become professional web developers. He set up his own site now, Kickass Workshops, and just take a look at what he was able to achieve in the first 24 lectures of this course. He defined his buyer persona and unique selling proposition using the template that I really give you in the course. He also received 50 responses to his online survey in the first 2 days and was able to gather really priceless feedback to give him direction going forward. And he was able to also set up his website landing page and get it linked to MailChimp so he could even start collecting email subscribers even before he launched his business. In his own words, he says, although I am a technical guy, I always used to feel that this stuff is pretty overwhelming and always put off acting on my ideas. And this really course made it a breeze. So my hope for you is that you won't put off acting on your ideas. You'll really follow the steps and get the results like other students in this course. To recap then, in this first lecture, you saw firsthand the marketing results that I was able to achieve when I put the steps and processes that you are about to learn to the test. You also got an overview of how you can replicate those results by following and completing the 12 projects in this course. And you also got a glimpse into what is possible even within the first 24 lectures of this course by looking at what your fellow students are achieving. So you're very welcome to the course. Once again, in the next lecture, I'm going to give you access to all of the course notes and the official Facebook page. So I'll see you in the next lecture.